Dear learners, art integrated learning is recently introduced by CBSE to make learning joyful, which helps visualizing the concept and makes it easy grasping. In art integrated learning, it is used as a tool and it is also a shift from the rote method. Dear students, during teaching of different lessons, I use different art forms like dramatization of several characters, narrating the whole incident in natural way, using related pictures and videos through video presentation of the chapter. I hope all of you have enjoyed the integration of art in your teachings, learning of different chapters. Integration of art in learning connects with the world outside and develops multidisciplinary links. It develops art-based inquiry and inculcate respect for culture and heritage. While developing all the skills of listening, speaking, reading, and writing, art integrated learning helps us too much, and here art works as a teaching tool. Dear students, they have the first book, Hornbill. Chapter 1, The Portrait of a Lady. The author's grandmother was an illiterate lady, but she always took care of the author's studies. She was a kind-hearted woman as she always fed the hungry dogs and sparrows. Students can prepare a presentation about people like Padma Shri recipient Kipu Sharing Lepcha, who in a similar fashion as the grandmother devoted her life to the upliftment of her community indigenous to the Himalayan regions of Sikkim. Chapter 2, We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. The chapter is about an adventure that deals with unity and optimism. The author specifically discusses how optimism helps people endure in tough situations. Considering the theme of adventure and unity, students can prepare a presentation about adventure activities in Sikkim like mountaineering, skiing, etc., or other adventure sports. Chapter 3, Discovering Tut, the saga continues. This lesson discusses the life of King Tut, who was a pharaoh of Egypt and mysteriously died at a very young age. Students can prepare a presentation on the last Chogal king of the Kingdom of Sikkim before merging into India as a new state in 1975. Student can also prepare a presentation about Satyam Tulku Namgyal, the shortest reigning king of Sikkim before dying, suspiciously of heart failure, quite like the subject of this lesson, King Tut. Chapter 4, Landscape of the Soul. The lesson compares the Chinese view of art to the European view. Eastern artists try to create a conceptual painting whose spirit must be seen to understand the work, while Western artists vie for a perfect imitation. Students can prepare a presentation about art and craft in Sikkim, or students can prepare a presentation and write up about Thangka painting associated with the state of Sikkim. Chapter 5, The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role. The theme is the deteriorating condition and the problems faced by our planet. Also focuses on the changing view of the world towards the need for green movement. Taking view of the deteriorating condition, students can write about the impact of climate change and global warming on Sikkim's weather, ice peaks, forests, and environment, and what is the government doing about it. Or students can write about the impact of tourism and mountaineering expeditions in Sikkim's environment and how does the government regulate these activities to alleviate the problem. Chapter 6, the Browning version. This lesson gives an insight into the lives of teachers and students and into the system of education in old British schools. Based on reading the play, write in detail and make a presentation on the ancient system of Buddhist monastic education and its present state in Sikkim. Or students can write and make a presentation on the current system of education in Sikkim. Focus on the state of elementary education, higher secondary education, graduation and post-graduation in Sikkim. Chapter 8, Silk Road. In this chapter, the writer describes his pilgrimage to complete the Buddhist Kora at Mount Kailas. Students can write and make a presentation on pilgrimage in Sikkim. The state is plotted with pilgrimage destinations for all religions such as the Buddha Park, Ranka Monastery, Siddheswar Dham and many other sites. Poem 1, A Photograph. This poem is about the transience of human life. It describes how lived experiences morph into memories and nostalgia. Students can choose any photograph from the state of Sikkim and make a presentation about the people, circumstances or place depicted in the photo. Poem 2, The Laburnum Top. The poet has used the laburnum tree and goldfinches as a symbol of life and its fluctuations. The laburnum tree symbolizes the pattern of our life in general, which is usually dull and inanimate. The goldfinch breaks the usual pattern and makes it lively. Students can write about or prepare a presentation on the flora and fauna of Sikkim. Students can draw a parallel with the laburnum top by explaining the relationship between Sikkim's wildlife and the environment, in the same way as the poet describes the relationship between the goldfinch and the laburnum tree. Poem 3, The Voice of the Rain. The poem signifies the eternal role that the rain plays in nurturing, quenching, and purifying the various elements of earth. Students can prepare a report or make a presentation on rainfall and snowfall in Sikkim and its impact on Sikkim society. Poem 4, Childhood. The poet thinks over his lost childhood. He wonders about the moment where he lost the innocence and realized that the world is not what he seemed it to be. Students can write or prepare a presentation about the life of children in the state of Sikkim. Book 2, Snapshots. Now we will see the lessons in snapshots. Chapter 1, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. A major theme of the story is trust and honesty. There is a conflict between feelings and reason. The story highlights the importance of character and reputation. Students can write or prepare a presentation about a similarly honorable person from Sikkim who is respected throughout the state and country. Or students can also write or create a presentation about domesticized yaks in Sikkim. Chapter 2, The Address. This story is a touching account of a girl who goes in search of her mother's belongings after the Second World War in Holland. The address that held so much importance till she visited that place lost its value, and the girl realized that it could get her nothing but pain. Students can write or create a presentation about any political conflict in Sikkim's history. Several examples are the Bhutanese invasion of Sikkim in 1700, the Nepalese invasion of Sikkim in 1788, or the movement in Sikkim to remove the monarchy and accede to India from 1950 to 1975. Chapter 3, Ranga's Marriage. The story depicts the life in Indian villages in the past, when child marriage was a common practice. Students can write or prepare a presentation about the prevalence of child marriage in Sikkim. Chapter 4, Albert Einstein at School. This biographical piece discusses the childhood of Albert Einstein, the famous physicist. It focuses on Einstein's disdain for learning facts instead of focusing on understanding the lessons. Students can write or create a presentation about innovations in Sikkim education to focus on skills and understanding of students instead of rote learning. Or students can write about any famous educator from Sikkim who influenced change in the education system. Chapter 5, Mother's Day. The play is a humorous portrayal of the status of the mother in a family. It reveals how a mother's efforts are ignored by her family. Students can write or prepare a presentation about any famous mother belonging to Sikkim and her impact on society, apart from her motherhood responsibilities. For example, you can read about Santosh Niraj, Sikkim's first female journalist. Chapter 7, Birth. This is a moving story of a young doctor's battle with death. With supreme effort, he brought back a newborn baby and his mother from the jaws of death to warm, glowing life. The lesson also focuses on the importance of believing in yourself and the satisfaction gained from accomplishing something in life. Students can write or create a presentation about any famous doctor from Sikkim focusing on their work. Thank you very much.